Ayun guys, bibili daw kami ng ano, waffles.
This one.
Ayan, may mga sample
This
sila.
one with choco.
This one is 550.
Ay, it's 450. What do you want? Come on.
Normal? Normal is 250.
Normal is 250. And how about with the...
Ito na yung isa.
this is banana carino. You want banana? Banana carino.
This one with banana chocolate or just banana?
You want chocolate?
Want the same like this? This?
Sorry yan.
One of this one and one with one.
One you want?
Ano kaya mo? Tea. Or you want solo waffles?
This one?
Yeah.
And do you want it with ice cream or with cream?
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Ice cream?
Yeah.
Wet. Is this plastic? Or cream? Is this plastic? Or this one?
No, it's real.
It's real. Okay. So we're not allowed to cut. Ano kanya?
Ate kanya to.
Can I have this?
This one?
This one also.
Do you want it with cream or with ice cream?
Ice cream please.
Kanya ba na?
So yun guys, ito yung best na waffles. Pinaka the best.
Special naman pala eh.
Special pala guys. Kaya pala.
Ayun. Ito naman yung aking guys, oh. Special talaga. You like it, Rapi? Alas maubos niya na lahat, oh.
Because Marian is not finished the waffles. Because I gave her
My God.
a little bit.
Itong akin, ang dami naman, oh. Hinihirap ubusin.
Namin tayo ice cream.
Sa'yo.
Ito guys, yung the best na waffle. Yung normally kasi na may nakailan akong waffles, hindi ako mahilig sa waffles. Pero nakailan lang talaga ako ng waffles pagka ito. Yung Australian waffle. Very chewy siya kasi. Hindi siya yung normal na waffles na ginagawa natin ba na pag gumawa ka yun na yun. Ito parang may something siya. Ang sarap.
Pero ang presyo magkano?
Presyo niya? Ito sa akin ay 10.50. Wow! With ice cream. Pagka normal lang siya, 250 euro. Lagyan mo siya ng whip. 250. Ito ang napili ko, since hindi ako nagtanong kung magkano. Kaya nagustuhan ko yung picture. 10.50 euro. Pero sulit.
Mahirap ubusin eh. Marami talaga. Ang dami niyang ice cream. Ang dami pa niyang man eh.